that I'm going to draw the Lord Ganesha with the help of circles and ovals. What are they? I'll just show the blocking. The first circle comes with the head. I'm going to make a head in a circular way and then turn it into oval. That also I'll show you how it is. The first is the circle. Second is the circle for the stomach of the Lord. This shape, it's not a circle, but it has a typical shape of J or C or curve. How to make that also I'll tell you. Again, a curve. If you were very kids, I would have used one more circle here to make the trunk and just join it from here. But I'm not going to do in your case because you'll have to make the shapes properly. For kids, I use one circle, two circle, three circle. The legs are oval. One oval. How to draw the oval? That is, the shape is this way. The oval is this way. The direction is this. And for this leg, the oval is this way. For ears, one side is just a C. First C, make it C and extend it. That is for this side because the view is from one side. We are able to see only one side. So this is the C and this side is general a rectangle to be joined. That we will do when the shaping is there. So first the blocking we have done, everything, eye. Now as I said, for a normal human being, the eye is straight, but the Lord Ganesha's face is nothing but the elephant face. So the eye will be inclined. That is, it has some angle and that's why the eye has made like that. Where to incline, everything is there. Now first and foremost, what we do? We just make our reference line which will help us. So for that, you're just going to fold your printout, nothing else. Reference lines helps us to place all the whatever circles or whatever we have made properly at the position and then sketch the artwork properly. So whatever this I fold, same first on your page, take the standing reference line and the sleeping reference line.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we make these lines randomly?
Randomly means I didn't get you.
Or we have to take a measurement?
No, randomly. Do it randomly, nothing happens. You will come to know the exact center without measurement. When you'll do it, you'll come to know. Once or twice you will go wrong, but afterwards you'll be able to come exactly know where the center lies. So first, this is I'm just drawing it with a dark pencil so that everyone will be. I'll make the circle touching the central line. So it will help us to make the reference properly. Now, where exactly the circle? This is our center line. Okay, so from the center line towards, this is the first, towards this, just I'll take a measurement, 2 fingers above it. Go 2 fingers above it and mark a line. How much is the width of the circle? I'm going to give the measurement with the help of fingers only. It's 3 fingers. So on this line, I'm just going to make a square because then it will be easy for me to make the circle. So first on this line, mark a 3 fingers. Go above this line, mark a 3 fingers.
It's a 4.5 centimeter.
Okay. Normally, we don't have measurement. We'll have to draw it without, just for the judging. And how to do that, I am telling with the measurement of with the fingers. I've drawn, 1 second, just 2 minutes. I've not started recording.
Recording in progress.
Rough square. Now, Amira, you're going to draw very light. You're not going to draw dark. This I'm drawing because everyone can see through camera, okay? Now make a circle on this. Once you have done till here, just set.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, the trunk actual face is little bit oval like this. Where it starts. So where the trunk is there, it is going to go on the head. With your small pinky finger, just take a measurement above it. Mark a point like this. And we'll draw the trunk.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
This means this measure from the pinky finger. Can you just repeat it again?
Now, this is the circle we have sketched for the head, which is inside eye. Above that, the trunk is on it because the head is oval shape. So now to make the trunk, you're going to go up by small pinky finger up, little bit. When shaping, it can go little bit inside or go outside. But this is the marking measurement for us. And to draw this shape, a C shape, J shape, whatever, or G, to draw how much out you're going to go, that is from, this is our reference line. First of all, your whole curve is coming and terminating at our this reference line, that is the sleeping line, and then it is taking curve. So we know that here the curve will be there at the center. See, this is the center line, and here, so here the curve will definitely be there for the trunk. How much you're going to go out here and this side, you're going to measure with your printout. Just see, it comes 1.5 finger this side, 1 finger, and then go outside, it is 1.5 finger this side, and same thing, 1.5 finger this side. So what I'm doing, first I'm making 1 finger and then going by half way, I'm going outside. Other way is on your printout, keep your pencil, take the measurement and mark it on your, okay. Now if you see the curve, yeah, I'll tell you, first do this marking. This is one, first marking, and second is same with the fingers. As I said, 1 finger, go a little bit outside and mark the point. Here I have this 2 points now. I'll shape it. Now up to this point, you can draw just little bit down. Just make, this is the maximum outer curve. Make a C and come inside, making, just joining it here. See the curve. Here the distance is less, and maximum curve out is where we have drawn the circle line, that is 2 fingers above the center line. There is the maximum out curve is there. Now come little bit out, down or this, it's only for our reference. It is touching the circle which we have drawn. Make a circular curve. This is our reference line. So little bit curve is outside here. Once done with the trunk, everyone will show me, but first we'll complete it. The opening, that is the trunk, is downwards. So be careful how you are going to make it. See, it's not slanting, it's downwards. Just make one S. Should I zoom it? Go little bit curve-wise for the S. And go with the arc and join it to the top of this side curve what we have made. So do it this way. This is the now little bit flat it is looking here. Why? Because little bit of trunk has gone on the that side of the face when we look. So make the chin rings and everyone will show me. Then we'll draw the eye. This is the main part we have drawn. Clear? Any doubt in this? Amaira, Khushi, Shivani, Sanskriti, everyone will show me till here. Now. Yes, Iraira. Very good. Iraira, just give, see, think if you have drawn a circle here. Just think, if you have drawn a circle, so how will be the curve here? This curve has come flat of yours. Okay, change this curve. Give a circular curve there. Arohi, Arohi, go out this side. Because see the width, it should be go little bit outside. It is thin. The trunk is thin from here. Yes. Khushi, hold it straight. Very good, Khushi. Khushi, little bit flat has become from here. Shivani, it is okay. Arohi, now it is okay. Yes, Vedika, hold it for ahead. Just show me. Vedika, this curve has come flat. This one. Drizzling. Very good, Drizzling. Drizzling gave a curve here. This one. Down one. Amaira, can you show me yours? Pragati. Yes,
Ma'am, can you show?
Yes, 1 second. Is 1 second, Pragati. Yes, 1 minute. Everyone wait. One by one, I'll call everyone. Just give little bit curve here. It's a circle here. Just think it is a circle here. This part. Dhruvi, yes, it is okay. Yes, Pragati, show me. Hold it straight, Pragati. Very good, Pragati.
Ma'am,
Iraira, do one thing. Take any circular coin or anything and keep it here and see whether it is coming circular. Because this is coming oval. Just take. You'll have the idea once you think of any circular. Yes?
can I show you?
Yes, can. Amaira, this part has become too big. How much up you have gone from the center line or roughly you have gone?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute, just hold on. Amaira? Yes, Sanskriti, wait. Yeah, Amaira, can you tell me? Amaira, I'm not able to hear you.
I've got 2.5 fingers.
Because you yourself will be able to see that the distance is less. Yours distance is too much. Can you judge it? This is wrong. You go a little bit up from this circle. Now let it be. This line is not there. From this circle, take 2 fingers down and make a this shape. Okay? Because this is looking too big. This should not be too big. It should be in proportion to the head.
Ma'am, is it okay now?
Okay? Yes. It is okay.
Ma'am, Sanskriti.
Yes, Sanskriti. Show me. Sanskriti, you have gone too much down. Keep this distance little bit up so that it curves comes. This much. See. This is my little but curve has gone below the reference line also. See the now on this curve lies this side teeth is not the broken one. So with one curve here, just give a circular and make the tip. This you can adjust it afterwards also, but just make it so that
Ma'am, can you see mine now?
yes. Okay. Now always eye level inside the face. Let it be the animal eye or human eye. It always lies on the half of the face. So now face is from here to up to the top. This is also the face area. So if I want to take this much distance, the half will be roughly I'm doing. I'm just drawing one half line inside the circle. It will be not exactly half of the circle. It will shift little bit up as we have shifted for the trunk up. So make this line roughly one line like this inside the circle. This is yes.
Ma'am, that how much centimeters is there from the trunk to the cheeks of the elephant?
Nothing. I don't have any centimeter. I've made a circle and made this curve. Arish, take the recording and do the sketching afterwards. If you do it roughly, it is not going to come proper.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, on this line, where the just come inside by 5 mm, that is half centimeter here. This much. Can you see? I have just marked it crosswise and make one slanting line like this. It can be a 30-degree or a little bit less than. Roughly, I have made a slanting line. Right now, don't erase this line, which will help us to draw the eye. Now see, the length of the eye is little bit less than the 2 fingers. So on this, I'm just going on this line, I'm just going to extend it. I'm going to mark my 2 fingers on it and just come little bit inside so that it is less than 2 fingers. So this is the width of the eye. I just draw the eye almond shape. Come and join here. And from here, go out and I'll zoom in. Wait. double line for the eyelid. And only the half eyeball. Yes, Arun. Now, how much is the width of the eye? That is this much. Go up on the same this and there where the eyebrow will lie. So if your width is half centimeter, go up by half centimeter and mark a point where the eyebrow will lie. And draw a curved eyebrow. We'll erase all reference line. Right now make the face so that it will be easy for us to shape it afterwards. All the ear and everything.
हाँ मैंने कुछ white निकाला.
Yes. Now, yes. Done?
Can
Now,
I show?
just wait. I'll see evidence. Now from here, you're going to come here from outside and join to make a oval shape. See. You can erase the square line, keep the circle like that. Okay. Now we'll do the first stomach, join it so that we'll be able to draw the exact location for the eye ear. Now see how the measurement. I'm going to draw a circle for this. I'm just going from the center line. This much distance I'm going out, marking a point, which is again 2 fingers, little bit less than 2 fingers of mine. So mark here. Then from this center line, I'm going down I've taken a measurement and marked the point on our center line. Which is again roughly 3 fingers from the center line. Okay, one is 2 fingers here, this is 3 fingers, and I'll just continue this. The hand is there, but just to see where the reference line where the circle will come. So it is almost 3.5 finger going towards it. I'll just keep that, mark it. I'll check with the pencil also whether this marking is yes, perfect. Now just draw the curve. That is circular curve. This is going to go circular. And from here, just give a turn and join it to the trunk. Just leave trunk. Make little bit more than the trunk. So just go a little bit outside. The stomach should be a little bit more bigger than the trunk.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, can shoot.
Ma'am, can I show you, please?
Yes, very good. Please. Yes, show.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yeah, one second. Now just hold on. Very good, Iraida. Yes. Drizzling, it is okay. Pragati, it is okay. 1 second.
Ma'am, is the eyes fine? Okay, ma'am.
1 second. I will check it when you'll share the sketch in group. I'm just checking the shape for everyone. Dhruvi, you have gone too much down. I don't know how much is this distance. I have taken only 3 fingers down. I feel it. You have gone too much down. This one, Dhruvi.
Okay.
Arohi, it is okay. Arohi, but you this distance, how much you have taken? It's 3.5 fingers. Have you taken that much? This one. This is not required because hand will come here, but then also it should be that much wide. For, yeah, Shivani, it is right. Why you want wide, that I'll tell. Now this line which is going to come parallel to this shape for the leg. One leg is almost standing wise like this, half. But the line which we are going to draw slanting will be parallel to this shape. That's why. And the second, again, this line of the leg, it is going to come with respect to this curve.
Ma'am, can you please see?
Yes, Parth. Show me. Okay, little bit outside, bulging outside. The stomach will be little bit bulging outside. Out of the circle you will come and draw it. Yes?
Ma'am, can you please see mine?
Yes, I'll see. Kushi? Amira, okay, Amira. You have not changed this, na? You have kept it like that only, na? Okay. Kushi, very good, Kushi. Yes, Iraira. Okay, Iraira, it is okay. Show me Sanskriti. Vedika, are you sure? Trisling, sure. Sanskriti, very good. Vedika, give a curve little bit. Okay, let it be. Then afterwards when we'll draw. Yes, Kushi. Kushi, little bit outside. This will go outside. Go outside. This is not required because the hand will come here on this place. But this is little bit outside, this side. This space is more and this is less. Okay. Now, with your 1.5 finger from here, roughly, see like this. Just make, now where the line will come and touch your pencil. I'm just drawing this line. And from here, taking a measurement with respect to this shape, I'm going down and joining it here. This is a reference line. One leg is almost standing. This way it is. And other leg, it is this way. That's why they both are one which is near this is little bit slanting this way. Go away by 1 finger more than that, and the second leg will be little bit above this. So just draw one. I'm making this oval. Touching the just leave it like this, or you can make it.
That can I show you? Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, show. Show me. Very good. Arish, make this big. It is small. The oval is small.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, very good. Dhruvi. Little bit inside because here the leg is going to come this side. It is touching the center line. See, this is the leg.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm not able to make the leg.
Which one? This is only the oval. We are going to shape it, drape it with a dhoti in it. Just give a oval. That can change it with the shape. Yes, Vedika, very good. Drizzling, this will be big. This is almost my more than 4 fingers, 4.5 fingers. So see the high length.
Ma'am, can you see
If
mine?
the body is this much, the proportionate should be the half folded leg. If you draw body big and draw very small leg, it will be not looking properly. The proportion should be, this is a folded leg. It is from the knee area. Yes? Iraira, it is okay. Right now I feel it is okay. Shivani, little bit in, okay. While draping it, you can increase it, but the leg will come and touch here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Kushi, show me. Arohi. Very good, Kushi. Arohi, increase little bit the size of the oval. Go down because leg will come here. Make it this much big. I said that make it around 4.5 fingers. At least 4.5 fingers.
Ma'am, can I show?
Drizzling, it is okay. Yes. Pragati, show. Very good.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah. Height is okay. Width has been too fat. Just make it little bit slim. Sanskriti. Arohi, okay. Krishna, okay. Now take the length. How much you have drawn? Same will come this side on your. Only thing, this leg is starting from here. That is down. So take the length of the leg, that is oval, and from this point go down and draw the oval up to there. Okay, we have 10 minutes. Well, now this is the only block. Just remember why I'm saying sometimes when you give a exam for YDA, they say draw the block of Lord Ganesha. This is the only block. Nothing is there. That is with the block. So definite with each blocks, that is circle, C shape, or that specifically I've made it that what is the block of Ganesha. Now we will shape it. Clear to everyone with the block? Now while shaping, it might go a little bit here and there. We'll adjust it, but right now we have the proper shape, that is the block, and the size also. Now we'll start shaping. So I'll start from wherever it is easy for me. So first the more punk which is on the head, and then the hole. So here, which starts from this side, be the leaf, peacock leaf, or now you can draw this in two shapes. One is the S shape like this, or direct draw a big one and then divide it. See, like this. I'll just show you. Both this point will be straight. That is, if I make a line, it is going to come here. Same shape what we have sketched. I'm just going to go outside and make a shape. Yes, Saruni? Yeah, it is okay. This will change. Once we draw the ear, we are making this for the purpose of ear. Once you can adjust it afterwards if the shape is not proper. Just I'm referring this and I'm drawing. Keeping here and doing everything. Now comes the, yes?
Ma'am, I have to leave.
Okay. This is where, see, the outer curve we came and joined to the eye level. This is, eye level has the ear this side. So it is going to touch here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I leave?
Yes, you can.
Bye.
Make, yes. Bye. Make a C shape. Come and come down like this. This C shape has come properly now. Now go down. From this C, you're going to go outside. From this C, I've come down like this. Same, I'm going here outside. Then erase this. And now check it. For this side here, just go 1.5 finger outside. This is 2 finger. So what I have 1.5 means first I'll mark with the 2 fingers, come inside and just make a L shape this way, little bit slanting. Come and join where your teeth, if you make a line straight to the teeth, just come and join it that side. This is the straight line, so roughly I'll take the same height. How much I've gone on the top. Same. From there, I'll just draw and keep this little bit slanting. To make it rectangle, little bit slanting. Okay. This was straight, so I made it little bit slanting.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we haven't drawn the full year from that side.
No, this side we have not drawn. First we'll draw the hand, then we'll join it up. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. There is a tikka which is seen halfway. This and a dot. Only give me 2 minutes. For the hand, we'll draw the hand. Hand structure is first the rectangle, U for the thumb, and on the top there is a pentagon that I'll show you. First is the So where you are going to draw a slanting rectangle, just go from the near the this circle, just go a little bit away and make one yes, this is almost square. More is the palm size. This is little bit less. This is always, if you see your palm, this is more and it's not a square, little bit rectangle. If this is 4, this will be 4.2 or 4.5. Same, I've taken this height more, this is less. For the thumb, it is you joining to the down rectangle. Now, always this part and this part of our hand, that is, just see, this and this is almost same, little bit. Sometimes the fingers are less, but almost same. If you see from the picture also, if I keep it, this is the palm, and if I go up little bit, the middle finger is equal to the height of the palm. So just see and go up and mark a point, that is the middle finger point. Now start from here. First, second, and the middle finger will come to the height where you have marked it, and the fourth will be equal to the side one. Just come down. Trace and make the now give the shape. That is when you are going to make the finger, it will have a little bit curve, it will have a U shape for the palm. Just join it to the thumb. Okay, everyone will show me and then leave.